So we have a leaky cast iron pipe above the shower. Water has been leaking down here. And in order to confirm that, took out the vent fan up here, looked over and saw leaky pipe. The only way we get to it though is to rip out the shower ceiling. So that's what we're doing now. And there's actually a metal lath system underneath, so just had to really use brute force. A lot of blows with a big sledgehammer made a big mess, but now we have a big hole where we can access the cast iron pipe that is damaged. Now we have a hole in the shower and we have better access to our cast iron pipe that is damaged and needs to be removed and replaced. So I'm going to call in professionals to do this one. So here's the repair. Essentially the bad pipe was cut out, and then a new PVC was put in, and these rubber sleeves were put over, clamping on the new pipe to the old pipe. In this case, our problem was the cast iron pipe got clogged up really bad, and maybe that helped kind of initiate the corrosion as bad as it was and the leak. Now we have a toasted bathroom, so it'll be fun to fix this.